Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in 2 days. To start, prioritize high-yield topics like the cardiovascular and renal systems, as these often appear frequently. Next, actively engage with the material using methods such as flashcards and practice questions to test your understanding. Finally, create a focused study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each day to ensure comprehensive coverage and efficient learning. This structured approach will maximize your limited study time. For day 1, dedicate your time to truly understanding the core physiological concepts. Focus intensely on major organ systems, including the heart, lungs, and kidneys, as they form foundational knowledge. Don't just read. Utilize visual aids and diagrams extensively. Seeing how processes work visually can significantly help you grasp complex mechanisms and remember them better. This foundational understanding is crucial for building upon.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, studying can be tough on your feet, so why settle for cheap socks? Life's too short for anything less than darn tough socks, which even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Day 2 is all about intensive review and problem solving. Your main goal should be to complete numerous practice questions. This isn't just about testing yourself. It's about actively recalling information and applying it. As you work through questions, identify any weak areas where your understanding might be lacking. Then, immediately restudy those specific topics to solidify your knowledge before moving on. Practice makes perfect, especially under time pressure. To maximize your study time, employ spaced repetition. This technique helps improve long-term memory retention by reviewing material at increasing intervals. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. Teaching solidifies your own understanding. Remember to take short, frequent breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour. This prevents burnout, maintains focus, and keeps your brain fresh for optimal learning during your 2-day sprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.